You found 2 eggs?
And one right here, and one here, where the leaves are.
Wow! I think Declan found an egg.
Really?
And another egg I found. Look! Hey, Mommy! Look.
Awesome. Was it in the toy?
Yay.
Yay.
Guys!
Declan.
Look! I found 2 eggs!
Where are the? Oh my goodness, that Easter bunny.
Look!
That Easter bunny. Goodness
And
gracious.
I found another one over this way. Follow me. I actually have two. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
And here's a pink Easter bunny.
A pink Easter bunny.
Hey, look a pink Easter bunny.
Another one.
And another one.
Goodness, your bag's going to be so full.
Look at your bag. It's quite full.
Another one.
Okay, so
Whoa.
now you got to wait for a minute because Declan's got to be able to find some Easter eggs because if you
Count your eggs.
Let's count them.
find them all, he won't be able to find some. So you give him a chance to help.
Come on over. We're gonna